morning, sunshine.
Really?
Or afternoon. Oh, that's trash. So, I know I haven't been vlogging a lot, and it's because I was sick. And I think I'm back to normal now, where I can actually, you know, give you guys a couple vlogs. So, the kids are out from school. Put your belts on. The kids are out from school, and I have to go and get food and cleaning supplies. Even though I already cleaned the house, I have to maintain it, so I'm out of cleaning stuff. So I'm gonna go grab that. Oh, and I forgot, I have to go to FedEx to go drop off a package. And I think I might have to go to, what's that smell, guys? And I have to go,
Cracker. That's crackers.
I have to go to Big Lots. So that's grocery store, Big Lots, FedEx, and I just got a package. I just got a package for baby A1. So, oh guys, and I have to do a gender reveal because we know the gender of the baby. So I'm gonna do the gender reveal later on today.
Mama, can we get this outfit?
Okay, I'm gonna do the gender reveal. So my budget for today is $250 on food and $20 on household stuff. So that's $270. So I'm gonna let you guys know if I hit that goal or if I went over. So stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna do a grocery haul as well. So I'll see you guys later because I gotta go. Okay guys, so I am back home after First I went to FedEx and the package was not for FedEx, it was for UPS. Thank you, hubby. So I wasted my gas going up there. And I went to Harris Teeter. My budget there was, no, that's a lie. I went to Big Lots first. My budget there was $20 and I spent $11. And then I went to Harris Teeter because I thought, you know, I started feeling tired and I thought that was all I was going to be able to do. And don't mind, my Christmas decorations still up. And I thought that's all I was going to be able to do. And my budget there was $250 and I spent $280. But I did get stuff off of my list that was not on my list. I did get stuff that was not on my list. So that's why I went over. And then I had to go to the Chinese store because my Harris Teeter does not sell like Oriental or Caribbean stuff. I mean, they do carry some stuff, but it's not, you know, to my liking, like the Grace and all of that. They don't have any of that. So I had to go to this Chinese store that they do sell everything that Jamaicans tend to put in their recipes. So I was able to get that. And then I went to the UPS store. I was able to drop all that package off. And then on my way. So it took me three and a half hours. Yeah. 3.5 hours to get all of that done. But I probably won't be doing another grocery haul for another 2.5 weeks. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so let's start over here. So at Big Lots, I got I'll do it like.
Okay.
I got sandwich bags, 9 large trash bags because I have to go to Walmart for that. I got toilet bowl cleaner, Windex, and laundry soap.
You
so
have
that's
to go for Walmart to do that?
And then at the Chinese store, I'm doing chicken soup one of these days. Can you pass me that book over there, the planner? I'm doing chicken feet or chicken soup.
Chicken feet on Monday.
I put chicken in there because the kids don't like chicken foot or feet. So this is so this was my grocery list, and I didn't get everything, plus I added. So for Monday, starting next week, this is next week / this week, so we're starting off at Wednesday. So we're gonna have beef stew or lamb, and then Friday is burgers and coleslaw, and then on Saturday is soup. And we have tilapia for Monday, brown stew chicken for Tuesday, and then for Sunday we have curry chicken. I might switch these two up. I don't know yet, depending on how I feel. And because the kids are home from school, I have lunches all planned out. So they have turkey, tuna, grilled cheese, mac and cheese, and hot dogs. And then for breakfast, like waffles, toast, cereal, omelet, and pancakes. So that's that for that. And so this is the stuff I got for the chicken soup recipe. So I got the chicken feet. My daughter don't like these. She calls them chicken fingers.
They're disgusting.
They give a nice flavor though. Some thyme, green plantain for Sunday dinner. Well, they're gonna get ripe, but these are cucumbers for my cucumber.
Don't forget carrots.
I put this in vinegar, salt, pepper, and let it sit for a couple days. That's why I've been craving. These are coyotes or however you want to say them. Yeah, chayote.
Oh, don't forget carrots.
That's for the soup. Carrot down there, corn, and pumpkin. So that's what I got at that store.
Pumpkin.
Then at Harris Teeter, I just got flour, bagel, hamburger bun for our one of our recipe.
Down here. Down here is waffles.
Okay. We have waffles down here for the kids for breakfast for one day. And then at the other store, I got rice. This jasmine rice is $10 at the other store. So that's that. So I'm gonna show you guys the next section. All right. So over here, I have the tuna for their lunches. This is for meatball, sweet corn, green beans for dinner, fruit snacks for the kids, oil, paper plate, hot dog, buns, bread for their sandwiches, grapes for their lunch, meatballs for the meatballs, yeah. Banana for their lunches and breakfast, turkey meat for lunches, bagel for breakfasts, lunches, mac and cheese, cereal for breakfast, pancake mix for breakfast, panini for like a pasta salad, butter,
syrup.
Watch out.
Syrup.
Sorry.
Syrup.
Maple syrup for their waffles and pancakes. This is for meatballs. These are garlic bread. Mayo for their tuna sandwich. Peanut butter for peanut butter sandwiches during the week. And that's about it. So, yeah, and jelly. So I'm going to show you guys the next section. Okay, so, yeah.
This is a crazy zone.
It's the crazy zone. So we have mashed potato for one of our dinners during the week. Distilled vinegar for my my cucumber thing. Evaporated milk for porridge one of these days. Coconut milk for my rice and peas. Green beans for another recipe. Sugar for the drink mix. Corn. Hot dogs for their lunches. More cheese for grilled cheese sandwiches. Here we have ground beef. I have like 3 packets of ground beef. So I have 3 bags of ground beef. Put that in the freezer. And then I have another round pack for to make hamburger for one of our dinners for the week. Put that in there. Then I got this beef stew. This beef stew, I got it on sale for $4.99, and that's for today. Then I got the lamb for next week. So we got the lamb for next week. This was almost $30. Then we have some steaks over here for quick lunches if my husband's home. So we got a lot of quick little steaks for him to make. Then I have this chicken thigh for curry chicken. I have whole chicken for Sunday dinner. I have fish for the tilapia dinner. And then the water's out the freezer. I have okra to go with this. Then we have sour cream over here.
Is that
for
all you need?
mashed potato. Green onion, carrot, coleslaw, hamburger season all for my meats.
You okay, Jaxson?
That over there. Green peppers for my meat, tomatoes for my meat, onion, banana,
For Daddy.
my husband, coffee, and coconut milk for my recipes, if I didn't say that. And yeah, let me show you the rest. I have cabbage for my Sunday dinner, ketchup for, this is ketchup I use for like cooking, milk for the kids, two Sunny D's, and apple juice. So that's it for the kids for 2 weeks out of school. Needless to say, I am exhausted. I am so exhausted and tired, and I knew this was coming. I knew this day was coming, and I kind of dreaded it because before I would just shop like, you know, every other day for meal because they weren't home and I didn't have to cook as much. But now that they're home from school, I had to go grocery shopping, because if not, then every other day I have to drag 4 kids to the grocery store, and that's not something that I enjoy because they irritate the butt out of me. So that's that, and I'm gonna go get started on dinner. I think it's too late to do the beef stew. I want to do the beef stew, but I think it's too late because usually I put it in the crock pot, and it's 3 o'clock now. So no, I think I'm gonna do the chicken noodle soup. The chicken noodle soup. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and it was kind of good to actually get back to vlogging, and you know. So she's so nosy. Golly, always under my armpit. Yeah, but I'm gonna go make them something to eat, make myself something to eat, and start dinner. So I will talk to you guys later, and I definitely will be doing the gender reveal for this little bean. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.